All right, first generation Honda HR-V engine air filter, super easy, doesn't require any tools whatsoever. Let me show you how to do it. It'll take me less than a minute. So here in the engine bay to the right of the engine, we have the airbox. There are 3 of these little metal tabs holding it in place. You don't have to disconnect anything. All you gotta do is open up these tabs. All you do is you push down and they pop open. You have 2 on the left side, 1, 2, and then 1 on the right side. And then we can sort of lift up the airbox right here. And as you can see in here, we have our engine air filter, which we can pull out like that. This one, as you can see, is quite dirty. Now, not super dirty, but good time to change it. The car's done about 35,000 miles, and we're gonna replace it with a brand new one. So we're just going to get our new one out of the box. As you can see, much cleaner. The sort of angled side goes to the back left of the airbox, and obviously the flat side goes up. And we're just going to slide it in like so. And then once it's securely in place, we will finagle the airbox back in. There are 2 tabs on the back over here which you need to slide into. Then you can push down, close the metal clips like so. 1, 2, and 3, and all done.